Hi guys. We're building a Lego gun, and then we're about to use it, but we're not done. So we just wanted to show you it. So yeah, Dante, show them it.
Okay, so guys, this is the Lego pistol frame part, whatever.
Yeah,
This is
so
part
that's
of
a
it.
Lego pistol right here.
I mean,
this
it
is the
doesn't
frame. Yeah, that's the frame.
I mean,
we're
the
not
Lego
done
pistol
yet.
is much bigger. Like the Lego pistol's like
Yeah.
9.
Yeah. So guys, we're not
this is
done
the
with it
complete
yet,
Lego pistol
so,
right
yeah.
here. It's the complete Lego pistol.
Yeah, right there, the complete Lego pistol.
Yeah, 50.
So
I'm assuming this is the barrel part. Okay, okay. All right, so
sorry, I forgot to do an introduction, but so we're just building the Lego pistol. We're about to do a
And-
few videos with it, but so far, yeah, we're just building the pistol. So this right here is the frame of the pistol, like Dante said, and these are a bunch of part thingy bobodness that
So,
we have.
what we're doing here
And
is
so yeah, that's basically our pistol so far. We're like a quarter way done, so yeah.
so we're almost done with this pistol. Just give us a few minutes, and I think we'll be out of the way by then.
Yeah.
He can pause his video. I can't. So, should I make a part 2 of this, or should I just let
we
them
should
see the whole
make-
thing?
We can make a part 2 of building. Well, I mean, it may be done.
How
but
about this? How about
it's just fun content?
you distract them? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm
Handgun.
kidding.
So yeah, here's for.
Like they're in a chaos too. Like
This is a Lego.
wash your hands.
I don't know if you can see it. That's a Lego. That's a person. So this right here, this, I'm a person. If you don't see, and yeah.
Oh wait, one more thing, guys, something very important.
Look at how nice when we give it to you.
You guys should definitely join the American Robotics Academy. Like, I'm serious. You want to build this stuff? You got to go to www.roboticsacademy.com.
If you guys want to build this stuff, please, yeah.
You're gonna have to do this.
The link is www.
I mean, we're gonna show you the complete pistol, but if you guys want to join this, go ahead.
It's www.